Hey everybody, Rorree here. Okay, so this is the last one for today. All right, so I pulled a rune card today, and this card is called Ingwas. Okay, so let me show you the card. Ingwas. It looks like two people who are in love. They are passionate with one another. They're embracing one another. I feel like we can embrace each other with love. We can even embrace our our businesses with love and passion. We can embrace our lives with love and passion. We can embrace our journeys with love and passion, or our mates with love and passion. But I feel like this is filled with love and passion. Okay, let me show it to y'all, and I will read what Ingwaz is all about. Ingwaz, and that's the rune up there in the corner, and that's how you spell it, but it's pronounced Ingwaz. It means earth, and it means sacred. Ingwaz is linked to sexuality and fertility, and is a sign of passion in a relationship or tremendous creativity in work or business. There is strong energy driving you forward. And if this exciting and positive momentum continues, success is likely. This rune card is also a symbol of green shoots and being free to move forward in a new way. Green shoots? Okay. I don't know what green shoots are, but alrighty then. Um, the old is left behind, challenges are resolved, and a new dawn breaks. You are breaking through to a new way of thinking and living, and there is no looking back. Now is the time for glorious new beginnings, and you are encouraged to seize the moment. Ingwaz truly carries with it a sense of magical possibilities and the promise of peace, relief, happiness, and inner growth, as long as you don't allow fear to hold you back. Sometimes it is not our limitations, but our ability to shine that we fear. This card is encouraging you to step forward and shine brightly. Okay, I'm sorry, I wasn't even holding it up. There you go. Ingwas. Okay. Alrighty then. That was pretty good, right? Okay. So, linked to sexuality and fertility. I feel like all of the cards that I pulled during this little recording session had to do with using your creative channels, those channels up in here, using your creative channels to manifest, and to use them for your business, for your relationships, for your livelihood, for your strength, for your power, but use them to move forward. Stay balanced in your feminine and your masculine energy. Keep it all balanced, keep your life balanced. Give love, lead from love, but make sure that these chakras are cleared. Make sure that you're healing your chakras. And I think we go through those. Well, we did, you know what, that meditation that we did, the what do we call that, the activation. Do that one. That one is a good one to help you clear your chakras with the octaves, you know what I'm saying? So clearing this auric field, that one would be a really good one. But follow my directions that I have in the community on how to do that one. Okay, so anyway, you guys, I think this is great. This is a great wrap up to today's section, to really focus on where we are, new beginnings. This is a time to step into your power, release the fears, release not wanting to show up because you're scared. You're scared of what people will think. That's one of the things that a number of us in the community are working on, releasing caring what someone else thinks. A lot of times, you caring what other people think is what holds you back, because the minute that someone makes a comment that's in contrast to what you're thinking or believing, then you're off here doubting, instead of knowing with absolute certainty that you have been given what you were given on purpose, and for a reason, and for you to continue moving forward in spite of what's going on around you. You're going to create and manifest your own world within your little sphere, in spite of what anybody else thinks, and be unapologetic about it. You know, you have to step up and be unapologetically who you are, you know, totally Rorree. I am unapologetically totally Rorree. Good, bad, and the ugly. Whatever it is, it's all me. You know, we all have to work on our shadow sides, bringing back our soul fragments, and integrating within ourselves, being the all, the totality of this being unapologetically. You know, that doesn't mean that we may not apologize for something. That doesn't mean that we are perfect. That doesn't mean that we don't make mistakes. It just means that we are who we are, and who we are is a purposeful being. We are in this body, we incarnated into this vessel to be whoever we decided we were going to be in this lifetime, and it's our job to unapologetically stand up and be that person. So anyway, I think this was a wonderful ending for these cards today. I hope you enjoy them. Ashe, ashe, ashe.